All right, what this will be is a view of what the flipped classroom lecture booklet would be like. Now remember, you're doing this before class, and you all have your notebooks, and we open it up. On the inside cover, there's your rubric on the left, and then the notes on the right. Now, this is from a different textbook, but it illustrates what I'd like you to note from this. I have a pencil, a highlighter, calculator, and if you have good notes, of course, on the rubric when we check it, goes from 0 to 5, and it's going to be done, of course, through our Zoom class, or you're going to send me some photos of your notes, depending on how we check at that particular time. Now, the key is you clearly write the lessons, highlight the examples, show the work of the examples as we do the learn. And if you need to make a straight edge, there's a little triangle that I have. You can have whatever you have, a little ruler or something. And again, the topics that we cover in our pacing chart. This is just to show you what a good notebook is like. And interesting, recently when I checked some are even better than what I have here. Now, you don't need to have a perfect notebook, but a good notebook to earn the 5. And I'm doing an over narration on this. Now, here's your typical open notes quiz. This was for a later topic, but this is what mine looked like once I finished them. I put the answers in, and then I've used a little sheet to cover the answers when we project this on the board. But you'll notice I label the lesson that we're doing. I give hints as to what the example number we're referring to in our question. So if you have the good notes, and again, these open notes quizzes are a check that you have the good notes. Now, we're going to be doing this according to our pacing chart. And I'm just giving a little more information about this. And this was when we had the course divided into two parts. It was an 1103 portion and then later 1108. And over the summer when we first did this course, I did all of the lessons. So you get an idea then what it's like. So we're just going to page through and notice that in some of the future lessons, some of the examples written up in the steps are quite extensive. And when we do graphing later, we're looking for the graphs. And the key is that good notes result in good quiz scores. Now, what we've added in ours that weren't on the old ones were new questions that we have in red. And this is just a little check to see that you have, in fact, hopefully mastered this and know the skills. All right, we'll wrap this up just under 4 minutes.